Have you scheduled a WhatsApp call, but your plans have changed and you need to cancel it? Don't worry. It only takes a few seconds, and you can do it in two simple ways. The first method is through the chat with the person you scheduled the call with. Open WhatsApp and go to the conversation with that contact. Find the scheduled call message and tap on the option called Edit Event. Then, at the bottom of the screen, select Cancel Event. In the confirmation window that appears, tap Yes to confirm. The second method is through the Calls tab. Tap on the Calls tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top, tap on Schedule and you'll see a list of all scheduled calls. Open the call you want to cancel and tap the green Edit Event button. Then select Cancel Event and confirm by tapping Yes. That's it. Your scheduled WhatsApp call has been successfully canceled. This feature is very useful if your plans change at the last minute and you want to avoid confusion or missed calls. It works on the latest versions of WhatsApp, so make sure your app is up to date. I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more digital tips, tricks, and WhatsApp tutorials, subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next one.